Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you a video about how to remove the password from a protected sheet. So this is something I taught myself and would like to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can subscribe for more advanced videos in Excel training and computer training and all that. All right, so let's begin. So firstly, let's protect this Excel sheet. All right, so how to protect it? You right click on your sheet and say protect sheet, and you put in your password. I'm just putting 12345 6. All right, so now I can't type, I can't change anything. All right, I'm just gonna save it. Gonna open it again just for you guys to see that it's still protected. Alright, still protected. Alright, so I taught myself this because a while ago I protected the sheet and I forgot the password, and I really needed to unprotect that sheet. Alright, so this is what I taught myself. Firstly, you go to that Excel. This Excel you can still see that's protected. You right click on it and you say rename. But firstly, you have to have this tick mark on if you go to view file name extension. So you have to put that tick mark on file name extension so that you can see the extension of the file. Then you right click it, you rename, and you remove that .xlsx and you say .zip. Press enter and it's going to ask you the file might become unusable or if you want to change it, and you click yes. Alright, so now you can see it's zip folder. You go into that zip folder, you go to the folder that says Excel, you go to the folder that says worksheets, and you open this worksheet that says sheet 1. And you control find the password. Sorry, you control find protection. Alright. So now where it says this sheet protection, so you highlight from this, you just go till where it ends. So let's just start again. Now I'm just gonna use shift. I hold in shift and I press right on my keyboard. Till you find where it ends. Alright, and you say delete and you say file save. Alright. So I'm just going to save it on my desktop, or rather in my documents. I'm going to save it there, and I'm going to close this. So here's the sheet I just saved. I'm going to copy it. You go back into the zip folder and you say paste, and it asks you to replace it, and you say copy and replace. Alright, so now you go back to the zip folder and you say rename, and you make it back to XLSX for that extension of the Excel file. And now if I open it, you see the protection is gone. So this is how to remove a password on the sheet of an Excel. Just want to show you another thing. So let's, for instance, I protect the worksheet sheet 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see it's protected now. Just gonna put it in the right order. So sheet 3 is protected. Sheet 1 is not. I'm also just gonna protect this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is protected. Sheet 2 is not protected. And I save it. Just gonna delete this previous one. So now I'm gonna show you again. You right click and you say rename. You remove the Excel and you say .zip. Are you sure to change it? Yes. You open the zip. You open the Excel worksheets. Now you see there's 3 worksheets. So I protected worksheet 1 and 3, but I just need to unprotect worksheet 3 and leave worksheet 1 and 2. So I open sheet 3, control find protection. You start here with the text, you hold in shift and press right on your keyboard. And you go to where it ends. So it ends there, and you say delete, and your file, you save it. It's not going to allow you to save it in the zip folder directly, so I'm just going to save it here at my documents again. You take this file you just edited, you copy it, you go back to in the Excel zip, go to Excel worksheets, you paste it here and you replace, copy and replace. Go back to the zip folder, you rename it .xlsx. Now open it. So now you see sheet 1 is still protected, but sheet 3 is unprotected, and I can edit it again. Alright guys, so if you like this video and it helps you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.